Welcome to the installation video of the ARIES RidgeStep running boards. This video will cover the installation steps needed for all RidgeStep running boards. These running boards are available in a textured black powder coat finish. Begin the installation by laying the RidgeStep on a flat work surface. Insert a C-shaped mounting plate into the track of the running board. Set the RidgeStep into place on the VersaTrack brackets. Slide the mounting plate along the track, aligning it with the mounting brackets. Secure the board in place with an M8 hex bolt, lock washer, and flat washer into each mounting location. Snug the hardware, but do not fully tighten at this time. With all the hardware attached, adjust the running board into your desired location. Once satisfied, torque all the hardware to the values listed in the supplied instruction sheet. Repeat this entire process on the other side. This completes the installation of the ARIES RidgeStep running boards. For more information on this and other great products, visit ariesautomotive.com.